Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your background on Zoom. Whether you want a professional look for meetings or a fun virtual background, Zoom makes it super easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you are signed in. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings panel, look for background and effects on the left sidebar. Click on it and you will see different options. Now, under the virtual backgrounds tab, you will find Zoom's default options or an option to change your background by uploading your own image or video. Click on the plus icon to change it to a custom background from your computer. Make sure you have a good lighting for the best results. If your backgrounds look glitchy, you might need to check the I have a green screen option for a smoother effect. If you don't have one, Zoom's AI will try to remove the background automatically. Once you change your background, close the setting panels. You can start a new meeting or join an ongoing one to see how it looks. If needed, go back and tweak your settings for a better appearance. And that's it. Now you know how to change your background on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.